Well, hey guys. So I got this Frosted Hot Fudge Sundae Pop-Tarts box from Silas M. It's got two eyes and a mouth with a tongue sticking out on it. It's pretty cute, not gonna lie. And it's rather suspicious that Silas M just randomly sent this to me. And I did just hit 300 subscribers, so might as well check it out. Alright, time to see what's inside. Okay, so he left me a note inside. Strangely, though, the note is in Morse code. But hey, I know Morse code. Anyway, it says dot dash dot dot. Oh, sorry, I meant it says, "This is not Pop-Tarts. This is something very special to you, or for you. Congratulations. Love, Silas M." Alright, cool. Thanks, Silas M. I also noticed there was something else in the box. What was it? Whoa, what is this? This is huge and shiny. It's like a big, giant, shiny Dorito. Looks awesome. It's my 300 subscriber thing, play button. Wow, this is awesome. What's on the back? Levizilla9, 300 subs, Prizim play button. This is awesome. And now I can display it proudly with my 100 subscriber aluminum play button, and they look awesome together. Thank you very much, Silas M. This is a great gift. I did say it looked like a big, giant, delicious, shiny Dorito. It looks good enough to eat. In fact, so delectable and scrumptious looking that I might... That was delicious, but now I don't have another play button. Oh, I'm just looking back reading this, and it says there is an extra play button and another thing. Another thing? Whoa, check this out! I got another Titanic plush. You know, you guys did vote on the polls, Godzilla Eats, and Titanic video for my 300 subscriber special. So, I guess why not? Thank you to Silas M for the awesome snacks. Well, yeah, this was truly an amazing way to celebrate 300 subscribers. Thank you so much for 300. If you like this video, make sure to give it a like. And remember, while 300 subscribers is amazing, I'm trying to get to 400 at the end of the year. We are 4.5 months into the year and we've already got 300. We can do this, guys. But yeah, that's pretty much all I gotta say. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Ow!